Good morning, students. So, today we are solving the miscellaneous exercise. So, continue till 15 question I was given to you. I hope all of you have done till 15 question. Someone of you have asked the doubts also. I explained. I given the solution of these doubts. So, after 15, I am going to explain next question. That is question number 16. And this question number 16 is given. Find the integral, indefinite integral of e to the power thrice of log x into x to the power 4 plus 1 the whole power minus 1 with respect to x. So students, firstly we need to understood this part. E to the power thrice of log x. Already it was explained in the class 11th also, and earlier also I have explained what is the value of e to the power 3 log x. ये जो 3 होगा that can be written x cube. So e to the power log x cube, and here base e, because base is not given, so we consider base e. So in this condition this e and log x base e एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल है, so they will be cancelled to each other and remaining part is x cube. Okay, so therefore it is equal to x cube. So now this integral is reduced in the form of, at this place I can write x cube, and this x to the power 4 plus 1 the whole power minus 1 can be written 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 1. So therefore I is equal to integral of x cube upon x to the power 4 plus 1 with respect to x. Now look, the differentiation of x to the power 4 is in 4x cube. Therefore let x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to t. Then find its differentiation, derivative. What is its derivation? 4x cube dx is equal to dt. So x cube dx is equal to dt by 4. So at the place of x cube dx I can write dt by 4, and at this place I can write t. So it is integral of 1 upon t dt by 4. It is equal to 1 upon 4 integral of 1 upon t will be log mod t. So 1 upon 4 into log mod of t plus c. So at the place of t I can write the value of t. What is t? X to the power 4 plus 1. So it is 1 upon 4 log mod of x to the power 4 plus 1 plus c. And after that, next question, question number 18. And this question number 18 is given, find the integral of find the integral of 1 upon square root of sine cube x into sine of x plus alpha. So to solve this question, first of all we need to write the value of sine x plus alpha. Sine x into cos alpha plus cos x into sine alpha. Then take sine x common. If sine x common करें, so integral of 1 upon यहाँ होगा sine to the power 4x into cos alpha plus cos by sine, that cos x divided by sine x, so cot x into sine alpha. To solve this question, we let this cos alpha plus cot x into sine alpha is equal to t, and now find out the differentiation of it. Cos alpha is a constant, so its differentiation is 0, and cot x is differentiation minus cosec square x into sine alpha dx is equal to dt. So students, it is now if you simplify it, so you can write that dx upon, ये हो सकता है dx upon, what can we write? This can be written in the form of dx upon, that is dx upon cosec square x को नोट कर सकते हैं 1 upon sin square x. So dx upon sin square x is equal to minus dt upon sin alpha minus dt upon sin alpha. Therefore I is equal to, so I is equal to, we got it, sin to the power 4x. if रूट से आउटसाइड लेते हैं sin to the power 4x को अगर रूट से आउटसाइड लें, so it will be becomes 1 upon sin square x into inside the root I have taken it t, so it is t dt t, that is dx is here, ये dx है ना, this is dx dx. So students, here dx upon sin square x, at that place I can write minus dt upon sin alpha, so it is becomes equal to integral of 1 upon root t into, at the place of dx I can write minus dt upon sine alpha. And here sine alpha is a constant term, so I can take sine alpha as outside, so I can write minus 1 upon sine alpha integral of t to the power minus half dt. And what is its integral? So look here, what you will get its integral, इसका इंटीग्रल देखो फाइंड आउट होगा, माइनस is equal to minus 1 upon sin alpha can be written cosec alpha also into its integral is becomes t to the power plus आपको होगा ना minus half plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus c, 2 multiply होगा, so minus twice of cosec alpha into जो root t हो सकता है ना, t to the power half can be written root t, and at that place I can write cos alpha t की वैल्यू पुट करें, cos alpha plus cot x into sin alpha, cot x into sin alpha plus c. देखो ये सॉल्यूशन होगा. If you want you can simplify that also by taking 1 upon sin alpha, otherwise leave it. So this is the solution of this question number 18. Okay. Students, next question I will explain. Question number 19 you will try because so much simple question. If any problem you can ask to me. Next question I will explain question number 20. Question number 20 and the remaining questions. If you are having doubt you can ask. Okay, but you need to try the questions. Next question number 20, and this question number 20 is given. It is given integral of. Question number 20, I will start from here. Question number 20 is evaluate the integral of root of 1 minus root over x upon 1 plus root of x, 1 plus root of x with respect to x. To integrate it, firstly we need to think about this term, that is root of x. इसको हमें think करना है, what can we take. Firstly we need to rationalize it. इसको हम rationalize कर सकते हैं. Its denominator can be rationalized. If I will rationalize this denominator, so here root of 1 minus root of x divided by 1 plus root of x को multiply and divide करना होगा by root of 1 minus root x upon root of 1 minus root of x dx. On dividing this we will get it ना. यहाँ देखो क्या फाइंड आउट होगा, 1 minus root of x upon root over 1 minus x dx. Correct? So in this part, how you can solve it? You can solve it by separating also integral of 1 upon root of 1 minus x dx minus integral of root over x upon 1 minus x dx. Correct na? Okay. So we can solve this part easily, and this part we need to think. So I will let this part, suppose I have considered it is I1. So I1 is equal to integral of so what we got, I1 is equal to integral of 1 minus x the whole power minus 1 by 2 dx. If you want you can let it t, otherwise directly कर सकते हैं. देखो इसका इंटीग्रल so many times I have explained, you can learn it. अभी हम लोग ने सॉल्व किया था इंटीग्रल ऑफ 1 upon root t, इंटीग्रल ऑफ 1 upon root x विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x क्या होता है 2 root x. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट प्रॉपर्टी क्या होगा, ट्वाइस ऑफ रूट 1 माइनस x, बट ये जो x है इसका कोएफिशिएंट माइनस, इसलिए यहाँ माइनस यूज करोगे, प्लस a constant c1, you will get a constant c1. So minus twice of root 1 minus x plus c1. Now we think to solve this part. इस part को हम try करते हैं, how can we integrate that part. Okay. To integrate this part, what can we do? Now we need to think it. So second part is I2, जिसको हम यहाँ denote करते हैं. This part I will tell it I2. अभी देखो I2 हम solve करते हैं. तो दिस I2 पार्ट में हम न्यूमरेटर जो है ना, न्यूमरेटर को हम रेशनलाइज कर लेते हैं. आई विल ट्राई टू रेशनलाइज इट्स न्यूमरेटर. देखो न्यूमरेटर रूट x है, इसको हम x में चेंज करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करते हैं बाई रूट ऑफ एक्स. सो I2 पार्ट आई विल सॉल्व हियर. I2 is equal to इंटीग्रल ऑफ रूट ओवर x अपॉन 1 माइनस एक्स. तो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करते हैं बाई रूट एक्स टू रेशनलाइज इट्स न्यूमरेटर. सो इट बिकम्स रूट एक्स इंटू रूट एक्स एक्स अपॉन रूट ओवर, ये देखो रूट एक्स इंटू 1 दैट इज एक्स माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, करेक्ट ना, dx. ये फाइंड आउट होगा. एंड दिस पार्ट कैन बी solved using which property? By using completing square method. Otherwise numerator is equal to, या फिर हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं, numerator is equal to lambda time d by dx of this x minus x square plus a constant mu. इस मेथड से हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. और न्यूमरेटर के प्लेस पे क्या रखना होगा? We'll put it x. Okay, so if I will put here x and we'll remember that part also. What we got I1, देखो ये हुआ न्यूमरेटर के प्लेस पे हमने रखा x is equal to, यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट लैम्डा टाइम ऑफ 1 माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ x प्लस म्यू. ओके, so that is I will write the value of I1 here so that you will remember it. I1 is equal to, I got minus twice of root over 1 minus x plus c1. To get the value of I2, I have used this method and this can be written. अभी यहाँ कंपेरिजन करते हैं, we'll compare it. देखो यहाँ हुआ x का कोएफिशिएंट माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 1. सो हियर वी गॉट माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 1. देयरफॉर लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 1. तो लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 अपॉन 2. नेक्स्ट लैम्डा प्लस म्यू इज इक्वल टू 0. देयरफॉर म्यू इज इक्वल टू minus lambda, so it becomes 1 upon 2. So this I2 can be written. I2 को हम क्या नोट कर सकते हैं? देखो I2 can be written lambda time of that. तो lambda क्या है? minus 1 upon 2. तो देखो ये हुआ minus 1 upon 2 into 1 minus twice of x upon root over x minus x square dx plus mu, और mu is equal to half. So plus half of, ये देखो हमने सेपरेट कर दिया, half of root over x minus x square dx, right ना? So this way I can write it, correct? So after that, in this I2 again we need to take these two parts. इसको हमने I3 सपोज किया and that part I have considered I4. So this I3 और I4 को हम सॉल्व करेंगे, then we can get the solution. I1 ऑलरेडी हमको मिल गया, I2 के टू पार्ट्स हैं I3 एंड I4. So we try to find out these values. First I3 को हम यहाँ सॉल्व करते हैं. I3 पार्ट, what is I3? I3 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is taken outside, और यहाँ देखो हुआ 1 minus 2x upon root over x minus x square dx. To solve this part, what we need to take? Let x minus x square is equal to t. If I will let x minus x square is equal to t, so on differentiating it, we can get 1 minus twice of x dx is equal to dt. ऐसा मिलेगा. Therefore 1 minus 2x dx is equal to dt. So देखो ये फाइंड आउट हुआ minus 1 upon 2 इंटीग्रल ऑफ 1 upon root of t dt. और इसका इंटीग्रल अभी जस्ट नाउ आई हैव एक्सप्लेन माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू 2 रूट ऑफ टी प्लस अ कांस्टेंट c2. ये 2 कैंसिल होगा एंड सो व्हाट इज I2? I3 इज इक्वल टू, ये 2 कैंसिल कर लिया, माइनस रूट टी. टी की वैल्यू पुट करो, व्हाट इज टी? x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस c2. सिमिलरली विल सॉल्व I3 पार्ट, I4 पार्ट. ये I2 फाइंड आउट हुआ एंड I4. So this I4 is equal to half is outside and 1 upon root over, ये दिस पार्ट कैन बी सॉल्व यूजिंग कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड. टू सॉल्व यूजिंग कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड पहले हम यहाँ माइनस कॉमन करते हैं. ये लिखूंगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स. एक्स का कोएफिशिएंट -1 या 1. इट्स हाफ 1/2. इट्स स्क्वायर मस्ट बी एडेड एंड सब्ट्रैक्टेड. लुक हियर दिस इज ओके. या फिर यहाँ हमने ब्रैकेट चेंज कर दिया. And these three make the identity of x minus 1/2 the whole square. So that is it is equal to this is equal to (1/2) integral of 1 root over. तो ये हुआ x माइनस हाफ द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1/2. माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करो 1/2 द होल स्क्वायर माइनस x minus 1/2 the whole square dx. Correct? So it is integration of root over a square minus x square. That is what sine inverse x upon a. It is sine inverse x upon a. So that is becomes 1/2 sine inverse of x. What is x? X minus half upon a is half plus another constant we got c3. देखो ये हुआ. ये 2 अप में होगा. एलसीएम टेक कर सकते हैं. 2x minus 1 2 कैंसिल. सो हाफ साइन इनवर्स x हाफ 2x minus 1 plus c3. This is we got. Okay. So now I will write its solution. What we got the solution. Look it. I hope it is clear. There 3 parts we got. I1 I2 में 2 part था. I3 and I4. Therefore I is equal to what we got. I is equal to, since I is equal to I1 minus I2. Okay, and I1 is equal to we got -2 root over 1 minus x. इसमें एक कांस्टेंट हमने c1 यूज किया है प्लस c1 माइनस I2. और I2 के प्लेस पे हम नोट करेंगे what is I2. I2 I3 plus I4. तो यहाँ देखो I3 plus I4. I3 plus I4. I3 की वैल्यू हमारे पास यहाँ पे है. So we will write it. माइनस ये है. तो अगर इसको हम नोट करेंगे तो ये हुआ -2 रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स प्लस c1 माइनस I3 के प्लेस में हमने रखा माइनस रूट ओवर x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस c2 हमने टेक किया था प्लस I4. एंड I4 की वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट करते हैं प्लस I4. सो दैट इज प्लस I4 इज हाफ साइन इनवर्स 2x minus 1 plus c3. और सबको if I will write all together and ये c1 c2 c3 all are the constant. All constant can be replaced by a constant c. So it can be written minus twice of root over 1 minus x. माइनस माइनस यहाँ देखो प्लस होगा रूट ऑफ x minus x square and this is becomes minus half sine inverse minus half sine inverse of 2x minus 1 plus c. So that is the solution. So this is the solution of this question number 20. Okay. Next question. Okay, so next question I will explain. Question number 22. Okay, so next question number 22. So look here, what is question number 22 is given. Question number 22 is given. Question number 22, this is given. Integral of, find the integral of I is equal to x square plus x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square x plus 1 the whole square into x plus 2 dx. Okay. So if you look here, so the degree of denominator is 3. यहाँ देखो x स्क्वायर, ये मल्टीप्लाई करो 3 होगा और ये 2 है. So this can be solved using partial method. तो ये partial method से solve हो सकता है. So using partial method we can solve it. So to solve this, firstly we use the partial method. X square plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 into x plus 1 the whole square. So otherwise this way, so it can be written a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 1 the whole square plus c upon x plus 2. This is the method to make the factorization of this. सेपरेट करने के लिए हम ये यूज करते हैं. a 1 पावर के लिए x plus 1, फिर सेकंड के लिए b upon x plus 1 the whole square, not only x plus 1, plus c upon x plus 2. इसका रीजन ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. सो आफ्टर दैट टेक द एलसीएम, और एलसीएम लेने के बाद बोथ साइड से डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल करके ऐसे हम नोट कर लेंगे x plus 1 is equal to a into, यहाँ पे क्या होगा x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 1 the whole square. करेक्ट ना? Then to solve it, you can use the कोफिशिएंट. देखो यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर मिलने वाला है, हियर एक्स स्क्वायर. एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट क्या हो सकता है? a, या फिर पार्ट पुट करो x plus 1 को हम 0 करते हैं. सो x is equal to, we'll put -1. So on putting x is equal to -1, यहाँ देखो -1 का स्क्वायर 1, -1 plus 1 is equal to, this part is 0, this is 0 and b remaining होगा. -1 plus 2 that is 1. So find out of b. Therefore b is equal to 1. Right now? So we got b is equal to 1. तो देखो b फाइंड आउट हो गया 1. Similarly on putting x plus 2 is equal to 0. If I will put x plus 2 0, x क्या होगा? -2. देखो यहाँ -2 मैंने रखा. -2 स्क्वायर 4, -2 plus 1 is equal to, this is 0, this part is also 0. तो c remaining होगा. c -2 plus 1, -1 का स्क्वायर, तो c मिला. 4 plus 1 5, -2 3. So c is equal to, we got c is equal to 3. So two part we got, na? Only a is remaining. To easily find out the value of a, we need to take the coefficient of x square. Here x square को coefficient 1. So 1 is equal to, क्या हो सकता है? ax square plus cx square. So therefore a plus c is equal to 1. So this implies a is equal to 1 minus c, that is 1 minus b. So that is -2. It is, so a is equal to -2. We got a is equal to -2. Therefore this integral can be written I is equal to integral of a upon x plus 1. a क्या फाइंड आउट हुआ? -2. -2 upon x plus 1 plus b, and b is 1, plus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square plus c. c is, what is c? c is 3. 3 upon x plus 2 dx. This are easily you can integrate. I hope all of you can integrate it easily. So I will write here minus twice of log, क्या हो सकता है? minus twice of log x plus 1. ये इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? x plus 1 to the power -2, और -2 में +1 ऐड करोगे तो -1 मिलेगा. इसलिए क्या आता है? -1 upon x plus 1 and plus 3 log x plus 2 या mod x plus 2 plus a constant c. So this is the solution of this question number 22. So this is the solution of question number 22. Okay. Next question number 24. I will explain next question. That is question number 24. Question number 24. That is, so firstly we'll write the question. Question number 24. It is evaluate the integral of x root over x square plus 1 root of x square plus 1 into log x square plus 1 log of x square plus 1 minus 2 log x minus 2 log x minus 2 log x divided by x to the power 4 dx divided by x to the power 4 dx. Okay, to solve this, how can we solve it? Then now we'll need to think it. Firstly, simplify that part. This part, here we can write it root of x square plus 1 upon x to the power 4 into log of to x square plus 1, और ये जो minus 2 log x that can be written log 2 log x can be written log x the whole square, and log a minus log b is equal to log a upon b, therefore यहाँ नोट कर सकते हैं upon x square, करेक्ट ना, ये नोट किया जा सकता है. ओके, so we can write it. अभी हम इसको अगर चेंज करें तो what can we write it? This is dx here is equal to इंटीग्रल ऑफ, यहाँ पे हो सकता है अगर सपोज करो हम यहाँ से एक x क्यू अलग करते हैं और x लेते हैं और x को रूट में हम क्या नोट कर सकते हैं x स्क्वायर, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट हम वी कैन राइट इन दिस फॉर्म, और यहाँ पे हो गया x, इट इज x स्क्वायर बाय x स्क्वायर 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर dx. This is also same thing. So means if I will let this part as a t, अगर हम let करते हैं let 1 plus 1 upon x square as a t and I will differentiate it, so 1 0 इसका हुआ minus 2 upon x cube dx is equal to dt. So this implies 1 upon x cube dx is equal to minus dt by 2, correct ना, it is equal to minus dt by 2. Students, ये हो गया minus dt by 2. This is minus dt by 2. Okay, so now look it, what can we do further here. इसके लिए हम next क्या कर सकते हैं, for next this can be written I is equal to integral of, देखो 1 upon x cube dx के प्लेस में हम रख सकते हैं minus dt by 2, और ये जो टर्म है if I will take here LCM तो ये भी सेम फाइंड आउट होगा, मतलब यहाँ क्या हो सकता है रूट ऑफ t into log t, okay, log t dt, and after that this can be solved using the integral by parts. By parts ये solve करना होगा. Look here, according to the Eilert property, IL, तो logarithmic function को first लेना होगा, and this is first and that will be taken second. So now we'll solve it. अभी इसको solve करेंगे. So as per the rule, already you know the rule, you know, I hope all of you know the rule. What is, यहाँ पे देखो find out क्या होने वाला है, पहले हम क्या लेंगे, first integral of second means integral of t to the power half dt minus integral differentiation of first, what is first, log t, so d by dt of log t and integral of t to the power half dt and again ये integral. Look here, its integral is 1 upon 2 में 1 ऐड करोगे क्या मिलेगा, यहाँ आएगा 3 by 2, यहाँ हो गया 2 upon 3 t to the power 3 by 2 log t, correct ना, log t. So if not looking I will make it to look you, minus, देखो ये माइनस हुआ, log t का डिफरेंशिएशन हुआ 1 upon t into इसका हो गया 2 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2 dt, correct ना, तो ये फाइंड आउट हो दैट वी गॉट इट. आफ्टर दैट सो दिस कैन बी रिटन फर्दर, थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करें, सो इट इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज इक्वल टू I is equal to 2 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2 log t minus 2/3 will comes out इंटीग्रल ऑफ, ये देखो t इसमें से माइनस होगा, t टू द पावर 3/2 माइनस 1, तो क्या मिला t टू द पावर हाफ अगेन dt, it is 2/3 t to the power 3/2 log t minus, its integration is again same thing, यहाँ हो गया 4/9 और यहाँ हुआ t to the power 3/2 plus a constant c. After that t की वैल्यू पुट करना है, और to put the value of t, one more thing if you want you can do it, क्या कर सकते हैं हम t to the power 3/2 और 2/3 t to the power 3/2 can be taken common, remaining हुआ log t minus 2/3 plus c. so t की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करते हैं, t is equal to 1 plus 1/x square भी पुट कर सकते हैं. so if you put it, so ये हुआ 2/3, यहाँ पे देखो मैं पुट किया 1 plus 1/x square the whole power 3/2 into log of 1 plus 1/x square minus 2/3 plus c. This is the solution of this question number. Which question? Question number 24. So student, till question number 24 there is the questions of integral, indefinite integral. Okay. So after that there are the questions for the definite integral. Okay. So in next class I will explain some more question based on the second part, means definite integral. So till you need to complete the question number 24. Not only 24, you need to try some more questions. So I will give the work up to question number 30. You will try the question number 30. Next day I will explain some more question based on it. Okay. Thank you. And remaining question also you need to solve. That's why I have stopped here, because there are the how much question I solved, that much question remaining for you. And after that I have given 6 more question for you, because one day alternate your class is coming. So sure you need to do these 6 more questions from this exercise, means till 30 you need to try the questions. Thank you.